YouTube, what's up with y'all? It's Lord Shift, and we're back at it again with another banger video. And today, we're going to be doing a POV drive in my Dodge Charger RT, featuring my cousin Z-Verb and his Acura Integra. Make sure you guys sub to his channel. His channel link will be in the description below. And like, comment, subscribe on this video, and stay tuned to the end. Let's get to it. Alright guys, we are approaching the valley. Just to let you guys know, I will be going in track mode the whole video. So I will be in track mode the whole video. Stay tuned to the end. We're back. And I ain't gonna lie, this is about to be a crazy ass video. Track mode. Nice houses back here. Oh my God. Oh my God. I ain't gonna lie, I might put a little burble tune on this joint. I did have an Infiniti G35. That was my last car, and it was spitting flames like crazy. I'll show you guys what that looked like in one of these videos. Pretty sure we should be in the valley right now. I'm not gonna speed like that. And I speed as I say that. Nice view. Nah, bro, my joint just popped. What the hell? Damn. Nah, she sounds crazy. If y'all ain't peeped, my cousin was behind me the whole time. Here he is. Once again, for my Hemi boys, if you do not have the Z Automotive Taser, I recommend that you get track mode. I got a lot of questions on how I got track mode with the on the RT and stuff. It's the Z Automotive Taser. It's about $250. If your car is a 2018 and up, you do have to buy the bypass. That's also on the website. I will leave that website in the description below. Oh my God. I'm not gonna lie, my RT is sounding crazy right now, and it's pulling crazy. And one more thing I meant to tell you guys, let me know what kind of POV drives you guys want me to do. Somebody said go on a highway and go crazy up there. I'm trying not to flood my channel with too many POV drives though, but this gets a lot of attention. So I know when I was in the market for this car, this is all I looked up. POV drives, Dodge Chargers. Dodge Charger RT POV drives. So I'm gonna give you guys what I assume you've been looking for. This is track mode. definitely gonna need gas soon. Some beautiful houses back here. Gonna make a right. She's sounding good, bro. Pothole. Messed me up. Bro, I know y'all hear those pops. Oh my God. Nah, bro. I know y'all hear those. Y'all gotta hear those. I know driving through here at nighttime, boy. This shit is dark. Chill out. God, what an amazing view. Oh, there's another car behind him. I don't know what car that is. It looks like a JDM. I don't know what JDM car it is though. I know my cousin sees him. He's on his ass. Oh, shit. Oh. Look, I don't know if you guys can see it. Nice little pool. Nice little pool for you guys. All right. Left, right, left, right, left. We're gonna go right. Fuck it. I'm gonna try to pop. Look. It's not popping no more. I don't know how I do it. I ain't gonna lie, the RT has some torque to it. Like, if you're in the market for this car, don't get me wrong, this joint is a great car. This is a very nice valley. That's tough. I don't know what car that is behind him, but he's just following us, chilling with us, so. I don't know who that is, what car that is. My cousin knows more JDM cars than I do. Oh shit, hold on. Stop sign. Let's go straight. Popped again. We got a Tesla in front of us. This Tesla messing our flow up. Come on, dude. Come on, bruh. Here we go. Oh, pothole. Nice little valley drive. It just popped again. What the hell? Downshift. Oh shit, never mind. I don't even got a stop sign. I'm drawing. Oh, sharp turn. Oh. Alright, I don't know where I'm at. Oh yeah, I do. Speed limit 35. We just gonna go on straight. Oh, we got a car. I ain't gonna lie, I thought my miles per gallon would be lower than this. It's at 12.5. But I think I started at like 12.7 or something like that. Being on track mode, this joint holding up pretty good. I'm gonna still have to get gas soon though. I do need to grab a head mount, cause I ain't gonna lie, doing this with one hand sucks. Popped again. He had to pull over. He already knew what's up. Bullied him off the road. Not gonna lie, my arm is hurting. So I think we're gonna conclude the video there. I also don't want to make it too long. So make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and also subscribe to my cousin's channel, Z-Verb. His channel link will be in the description. And thank you guys for tuning in. Once again, this was track mode Dodge Charger RT through the valley. And comment what other POV drives you guys want me to make. Thank you guys for tuning in.